I'll say for the first time in 40 years, we've had to test run it a couple of times to make sure it's going to go, okay? But they were just test runs. This is the first official run. Over here, Bob.
Thanks, mate. Yeah, I'd like to introduce our team that has done the work over the 11 months past. All our team, Mark Murphy, Robert Murphy, Rob Freeman, George Brown and Peter Jensen. The collective group have spent many a weekend down here going through the vandalised machine. Unfortunately, when the workshops were closed, the buildings were open and not secure, and as a consequence, a lot of stuff got stolen out of the premises. We've done our best to try and bring back as much of the original look to the machine as we can, and so basically that winds up our restoration to this point. There's still a little bit of work to do on it, but at this point we're happy with how it is. A little bit more about the machine. It's a 360 horsepower diesel engine which drives on the backside of it a compressor which pumps out around about 2,000 cc per minute. It weighs around about 30 or 40 tonnes, so moving it around in the early 1900s was a feat considering what processes go into moving machinery today. So with that, we will now get into our start procedure and hopefully give you a good run. Michelle and Tanya, would you like to blow the workshop whistle? So for the people that have trouble with loud noises, you may need to cover your ears because so that makes the kids, the kids might not cover their ears. It's worse outside, but just giving them an indication.
Just remember also, the whistles are not as loud as they were when the workshop was in full operation. They were that loud, but you really want to earplugs if you want to get out of this building. Go.